As the back to school season starts, there are several ways to transition for both students and parents to make it easier on both and make life happier for the whole family by providing structure, being involved, and providing support for your student or students. You can make their school life so much better, as well as make home life happier for the family and provide consistency for your student. One of the ways that you could do this is go ahead and talk about and establish a routine ahead of time and be consistent with it. If your student needs to get up earlier, an earlier bedtime may be necessary. Set up a dedicated study area at home. Working in the living area with everybody watching TV is very distracting. By keeping that child focused on the studies at hand, they will be able to retain and learn better. Go ahead and involve your kids in their back to school shopping, whether it's for school supplies or new clothing. Anytime that they can be involved in the process of what they're going to be wearing or using, they're always going to be happier. Encourage open communication and try and attend important events if at all possible, especially communication that might be between you and your student or between the student and their teacher, as well as you and their teacher. Finally, healthy eating habits make a huge difference. Sometimes it might be easier to pack a snack or healthy lunch versus eating sugary snacks that might be served at school. By eating healthy, your child's focus will be more enhanced, as well as a better learning environment for them. As a mother with two grown adults who were in school, I know that it can be a stressful time. So I say these recommendations because these are things that I have experienced as well. When you're navigating schools, whether you're navigating a home to live in, I'm always available to help. My name is Michelle Allen. Feel free to call me. I look forward to hearing from you.